Okay, now we come to the last session and we put everything together, and we already showed how the cameras and go through the AI module and do analytics and then detect the object, and it is either the track or it is a bus. Now we would like to make sure that the link, the playback link can working. Right now it doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't work. So how can we make it work? And then we follow the instruction, and we started the streaming endpoint, and then set up the local service, AMP service, to view the playbacks. Okay, so the first step is, and we go to Azure account, and go to the resource group and find the streaming endpoint. And we started the streaming endpoint here. Okay, so this means the playback streaming is going to be available and to download. And then in our local computer, we need to run this command. And of course, you know, in the previous steps, so we need to install the AMP video player. You know, you can follow the steps in this link and then to install. But the important step is configure with the 6 parameters for this command to run the local Docker. Assuming I already have the Docker installed in my local computer. So and let me see if I have a cheat sheet. Okay, from this command, I already put all the parameters inside, you know, resource group and account name, and also include the tenant ID and subscription ID, and also the app ID, and then the app secret. Okay, let's take a look if we can to run these. Okay, after we get this startup, and then we can take a look if we can download the we can download the playbacks. So this one is this segment is from the 9:59 p.m. UTC, and it's a very short segment. And then to find if the track and or have the car have a bus pass through. Okay, it's about like 20 seconds. And if we choose another one, it's another 19 minutes, 19 seconds video. So what does this tell us? This tells us the architecture. And if you see this architecture, look at this architecture. If you get a video come here, and then video is go through the video medium service and go to the storage and get the segment. And meanwhile, the video segment get analyzed by the AI module. And then the AI results is go to the IoT Central. So really the telemetry of the AI results is go to the IoT Central. The real video is going to the Azure Media Service. However, when we look at the Azure IoT Central portal, we can have the link to the media service endpoint and download it. So this gives us a holistic approach and how to monitor these kind of end-to-end video AI, IoT Central dashboard, and end-to-end solutions. Now, maybe we can take some other examples. For example, we can configure the model, say, hey, this has the truck and a bus. How about I put the car in the end, and then to see, can make the model to detect all three. Okay. Okay, it's get accepted, and then I'm not sure. Maybe we need to restart the model, restart the camera, and a restart. Okay, let's take a look of the command if it's successful. Okay, it is successful. And then we could go to the dashboard. As you can see, we have the car, bus, and a truck. So the model is very easily to be configured and changed as long as you have a model and to indicate the truck, bus, and car. So this shows how easy IoT Central dashboard can configure to the different perspective of the model. Okay, I think this concludes of the overall demo from the end to end. Thank you.